If you want to clear Zap history on Zapier, this video will walk you through the process step by step. This is useful if you want to clean up old Zap runs, remove clutter from your history, or delete runs you no longer need to keep. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you reach the main dashboard, look for the Zap History section and click on it. This will take you to the page where all of your past Zap runs are listed. From here, you can view the activity history for your automations and narrow down exactly what you want to clear. Next, click on the date range option. This is important because it lets you filter the history to a specific time period, so you do not have to manage everything at once. Choose the range you want to work with, whether that is a recent day, a full week, or a custom period. After selecting your range, click Apply. Zapier will now refresh the results and show only the Zap runs that match the date filter you selected. Now take a moment to review the list carefully. Once you have confirmed that these are the Zap runs you want to remove, select the Zap runs from the list. After that, click Delete. Zapier will then remove the selected history entries from your account, and that is how you clear Zap history on Zapier. It is a simple process once you know where to look, and it can help keep your workspace organized and easier to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.